This is a tutorial on how to create a new request code. Anytime you need another request code to select for creating work orders, follow these instructions to create the request code. Let's say you would like to create a work order to have an elevator repaired, but there is no request code in your list that pertains to elevator repairs. So, you need to create a new request code for this type of issue. Begin by navigating to Administration, Work Management, then Requests. This will bring you to a list of all your current request codes. To create a new request code, click the New Request button at the upper left of the screen. This will bring you to a form to fill out to create your new request code. Keep in mind that any fields outlined in red are required fields, so they must be filled out before saving this request code. Begin by giving this request code a name. You want to make it something clear and concise so when other people use this request code, they know exactly what kind of work they will be requesting. I am simply going to name this request code Elevator Repairs. Next, in the Request Type ID field, you need to select a request type for this request code to belong to. Remember that a request type is what classifies what type of work order this is. Some examples of request types are preventive maintenance and service requests. Since I use the work order request type for my work orders, I will select the work order request type for this particular request code. In the description field, just add in a brief description of what this request code is used for. For elevator repairs, I will enter in elevator malfunction, buttons not working, and door stuck. Finally, in the Estimated Hours field, we need to estimate how long this work will take. This is just an estimate, so if you are not sure of how long the work will take, just enter in 1 for 1 hour. Remember, the estimated hours must be greater than 0.5. Now that all the required fields are completed, you can add in any other information that you wish to attach to this request code. For example, let's say all elevator issues in your facility are high priority. You can add the desired priority to the request code, and this will prioritize the work order accordingly whenever this request code is used. Once you have added all the desired information to your request code, click the Save and Exit button at the upper right of the screen, and now this request code will appear in your list of request codes. If you navigate now to the new work order screen, select the work order request type, and notice now that you can select the request code Elevator Repairs. Also, notice that the information that we added to the request code, such as priority and request description, automatically populate on the new work order screen as well. For more information on creating request codes, contact technical support.